Idioms and phrases. Break the ice, start a conversation in a social setting. बातचीत की शुरुआत करना. Bite the bullet to endure painful experience. दर्दनाक स्थिति को सहन करना. Burn the midnight oil, work late into the night. रात देर तक काम करना. Hit the nail on the head, to be exactly right. बिल्कुल सही कहना. Kick the bucket, to die. मर जाना. Let the cat out of the bag, reveal a secret. राज खोल देना. Cry over spilled milk, complain about something that can't be changed. बीते हुए पर पछताना. Under the weather, feeling sick. बीमार महसूस करना. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. कभी कभार. A blessing in disguise, something good that isn't recognized at first. पहले समझ में न आने वाली भलाई. Piece of cake, something very easy to do. बहुत आसान काम. Beat around the bush, avoiding the main topic. मुख्य बात से बचना. Hit the sack, to go to bed. सोने जाना. Call it a day, stop working on something. काम समाप्त करना. Break the bank, to use up all your money. सारा पैसा खर्च कर देना. Spill the beans, to reveal secret information. राज खोल देना. By the skin of your teeth, just barely. बहुत मुश्किल से. The ball is in your court, it's your decision. निर्णय आपका है. Costs an arm and a leg, very expensive. बहुत महंगा. The best of both worlds, all the advantages. दोनों ओर के फायदे. Barking up the wrong tree, looking in the wrong place. गलत दिशा में प्रयास करना. Put all your eggs in one basket, relying on one thing for success. एक ही विकल्प पर निर्भर रहना. Throw in the towel, to give up. हार मान लेना. Face the music, accept the unpleasant consequences. परिणामों का सामना करना. On cloud 9, extremely happy. बहुत खुश होना. Curiosity killed the cat, being too inquisitive can lead to trouble. बहुत अधिक जिज्ञासा नुकसानदायक हो सकती है. Make a mountain out of a molehill, exaggerate a small problem. छोटी बात को बड़ा चढ़ाकर बताना. Raining cats and dogs, raining very heavily. मूसलाधार बारिश होना. A picture is worth 1,000 words. A visual image conveys more than words. चित्र 1000 शब्दों के बराबर है. Actions speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. कर्म शब्दों से अधिक महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं. Every cloud has a silver lining. There is something good in every bad situation. हर बुराई में कुछ अच्छा होता है. Go the extra mile, to make an extra effort. अतिरिक्त प्रयास करना. Jump on the bandwagon, to join others in doing something popular. लोगों की देखा देखी करना. Kill two birds with one stone, achieve two things at once. एक तीर से दो निशाने लगाना. Let sleeping dogs lie, avoid interfering in a situation that could become problematic. पुरानी बातों को छेड़ना नहीं चाहिए. Miss the boat, miss an opportunity. मौका गंवाना. On the fence, undecided. फैसला नहीं कर पाना. The early bird catches the worm. Those who act quickly get the best results. जो जल्दी काम शुरू करते हैं, वे सबसे पहले सफलता पाते हैं. Out of the blue, suddenly, unexpectedly. अचानक. Put the cart before the horse, to do things in the wrong order. उल्टा काम करना. Speak of the devil when someone appears just after being mentioned. जिसकी बात कर रहे थे वही आ गया. Steal someone's thunder to take the credit for something someone else did. किसी और की उपलब्धि का श्रेय लेना. Take with a grain of salt, not to take something too seriously. थोड़ा संदेह करना. Throw caution to the wind, to take a risk. जोखिम उठाना. Time flies when you're having fun. Time seems to pass quickly when you are enjoying yourself. मजा करते समय समय जल्दी बीत जाता है. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Too many people trying to control something can ruin it. बहुत सारे लोग एक काम करेंगे तो वह खराब हो जाएगा. When pigs fly, something that will never happen. जो कभी नहीं हो सकता. You can't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge something based on appearance. दिखावे से चीजों को आंकना गलत है. The straw that broke the camel's back, the final problem that makes a situation unbearable. आखिरी चोट जो समस्या को असहनीय बना देती है. Your guess is as good as mine. I have no idea either. मुझे भी कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.